Ranbir Kapoor is one of the most impressive and talented actors today, and a certain theme we notice from a lot of his movies is that the character never succumbs to social norms and goes against the grain in order to pursue his passion or dream. These movies are inspirational and leave you thinking about your own life choices. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with 5 Bollywood movies in which Ranbir Kapoor inspired us to follow our dreams. Number 5 goes to Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. A coming-of-age story where everyone is figuring out what to do with their lives post the eventful college days. Ye Jawani Hai Deewani gave us comfort in understanding that it is okay not to have a structured set plan for the rest of your life. Some people follow the grain and do the 9-to-5 grind, and it's essential for us to realize that everyone is not equipped for that lifestyle. Bunny proves that while creating his own niche as a videographer working for the Fox network.
तू भूल गया मैं बनी भारी समझ बहुत उलझा था मैं वहां नई जगह नए शहर यार मुझे अपनी लाइफ बनानी थी अपना करियर बनाना था.
He also gets engulfed in his passion that he seems to forget his roots and what's more important in life. His journey and understanding relationships and sacrifice is a very heartwarming tale beautifully showcased in the film. Number 4 goes to Rockstar. A lot of people don't understand what Rockstar really showcased or taught us. Rather than it being a complicated love story between an ailing married woman and an extremely talented artist, it also led us to believe that self-doubt can make us question our own qualities and talents all our life without testing them ever. Realizing one's true calling in life can only be tested if we go out there and fearlessly showcase it. Jordan, who everyone slated to be a good-for-nothing gawar, proved everyone wrong by his own unique ways and became a worshipped and internationally acclaimed artist. Number 3 goes to Wake Up Sid, a coming-of-age story about a nameless, rich and spoiled boy who goes through many hurdles in life in order to understand about his own true calling in life and taking up responsibility. From failing to understand what he truly wants to pursue and him finally honing a craft to stumbling upon a charismatic and focused girl. Wake Up Sid taught us many things, including believing in yourself and that an offbeat or path away from the norm is not wrong.
थक गया हूं मैं बार-बार तुम्हारे मुंह से बच्चा सुनते-सुनते थक गया हूं मैं अपने आप को प्रूव करते-करते जब से आया हूं तब से रोज कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि तुम्हारी नजर में बदल जाऊं.
With impressive performances and a heart-touching premise, Wake Up Sid really was a gem. Number 2 goes to Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year. One of Ranbir Kapoor's most underrated performances is his portrayal of a genuine, kind and hard-working employee, Harpreet Singh Bedi in Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year. Harpreet, an honest and hard-working young man, does not want to succumb to malpractices, red tape and corruption in order to meet company goals, which leads him to establish a startup and battle with big business tycoons.
भूख प्यास भूल जाती है, बाल बच्चे रुल जाते हैं, तब जाके सभी कंपनी बनती है.
A movie which allows us to question everything around us, make us cautious and definitely made us fearless in achieving our goals. Number 1 goes to Tamasha. One of the most underrated Imtiaz Ali films in my opinion really showcased us the reality that if we make certain safe career choices, we can live a life that will monetarily support us but will not give us happiness, or we can take the tough path which is filled with hurdles, trials and tribulations but give us blissful happiness. Ved only realized his true calling with the help of Tara, and the character evolution of Ved from a corporate 9-to-5 robot running in the rat race to a drama performer and writer is effortlessly portrayed.
हम तो बड़े होते ही मार डाले उसको, कुचल दिया जमीन पे, ऐसे पांव रखे उसकी गर्दन पे और दबा दिए साले को. मर गया बचपन.
The movie really makes you question your life choices and truly gears you towards working on your goals and passion. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.